Today let's learn how to log in to your Halifax online banking. If you are also enrolled for the online banking service of Halifax, then in this video let me show you how you can easily log into it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Search for halifax.co.uk on the search bar of your web browser. Once you hit search, it's going to take you to the website. Now to log into your online banking, you'd be able to see this sign in option on the top right. You can also register for online banking if you have not already by clicking on the register option. But for signing in, click on the sign in option and it's going to take you to the sign in section. From here, first of all, you need to type in the username that you created while signing up and also type in the password. If you don't remember either of these details, you can click on forgotten your sign in details. And from here, you can choose your option and recover your credentials. Once you type in both of these information, you can also click on remember my username on this computer. Only check this box if you're using your personal device. If you're using a shared device, avoid doing this step. Once you fill in this information, you just need to click on continue and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of Halifax. So that was a short and easy tutorial video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. That's going to be all for today's video and I'll see you guys in the next one.